Hello every pony, I'm Nether Dragon and I'm back for another episode of My Little Pony Friendship is Magic, and tonight I'm doing Season 2, Episode 22, Hurricane Fluttershy. Well, it's definitely, the name of the title basically says it is going to be a Fluttershy episode, but other than that, I don't know anything else about it, so let's just get started. In 3, 2, 1, play. Thank you. Derpy.
Mandatory meeting for all Ponyville Pegasi. Library tonight. Be cool or be mule. No offense.
Do you really need to dump that many flyers out?
All right, go on in. Find a seat. Oh. You too, Fluttershy.
And how did you know that was Fluttershy?
Come on, let's go.
Hey, and on that note, she's a tree like she wanted to be back in season 1, whatever episode it was. Over a Barrel, that's it. Season 1, episode 21, yeah. Season 1, episode 21, Over a Barrel, when she wanted to be a tree. And now she was there. Well, she got her wish. She's now a tree. Temporarily. Faking like a tree. Acting like a tree. Yeah. Whatever I'm saying.
Every living thing depends on the life-giving nourishment of rainwater. And it is up to Cloudsdale to provide rain-filled clouds to every corner of Equestria. How, Pony might ask, does Cloudsdale gather all this extra water? Tornado power! That's right, Pegasi-driven tornado power. A team of Pegasi combine their wing power to create a jumbo tornado, powerful enough to pull water out of the local reservoir and funnel it all the way up to Cloudsdale. Remember, Pegasi,
okay then.
Jumbo tornado.
How that works, I don't know, but
to lift that water up to Cloudsdale. So, the next time you're wondering, where does all that extra rainwater come from? Just remember.
Really, Spike?
Intermission?
Really?
So, here's the scoop. Cloudsdale has chosen our own Highland Reservoir as the source of the rainwater they need for all of Equestria. And you know what that means. It means it's up to Ponyville's Pegasi to bring that water up to Cloudsdale. Not only that, but Spitfire, captain of the Wonderbolts, will be here to oversee the water transfer and record our top tornado wind speed. Now, last year, Philadelphia broke the wind speed record with a top speed of 910 wing power.
Okay.
But I think we can do better. I think we can get a top speed over 1,000.
Well, I mean, that would work if you had more Pegasus than Philadelphia, but I'm pretty sure that Philadelphia, being it's probably a much bigger town, would probably have more Pegasi, so how you're going to beat their record, I don't know.
Are we gonna be strong? Yeah! Are we gonna be fast? Yeah! Record smashing fast?
Yeah! Ooh, the hell is that pony?
Fluttershy! Stretch those glutes, Flitter! Nice flexibility, Cloud Chaser. A little too much flexibility, Blossom Point.
And has all that help for flying?
Let's see some faster trotting, Thunderlane. Good pace, Silver Speed.
Derping up there.
We're gonna need all the wing power we can get to break that.
Okay, those are strong wings.
Good work, every pony.
Unless that means like,
Every pony.
it can't be 1,000 pounds. Maybe it's like 1.000 pounds or something. I don't know.
You're avoiding tornado duty, and I want to know why. Fluttershy, open. Achoo! Hi, Rainbow.
Yeah, that's a very convincing sneeze.
Fluttershy, what happened to you?
Oh, I think I have the pony pox. I'm sorry.
I really wanted to come to training day today. But this pony pox has really knocked me for a loop. Achoo! Oh, you poor thing!
Fluttershy, you gotta be more convincing than that.
I know. Plenty of better. Cold water! Those pony pox are clearing right up.
Yep, Fluttershy, Rainbow Dash was not fooled by you. She knows you too well.
These robes and... Ow! Oh, my wing. Oh, ow, it's hurt. I guess I can't fly after it. Messed up wing.
You can fly.
Stop horsing around, Fluttershy. We've got a lot of training to do. Come on now. What's going on? Well, you see, oh, Rainbow Dash, I just can't do it. I can't fly. What are you talking about? Just last week you went into that wicked nosedive to save that falling baby bird right before it hit the ground. But that was different. That was an emergency. This whole tornado thing, it's more like a performance.
I mean, she does have a point.
I hate performing in front of others. Don't you remember flight camp? I couldn't gallop hard or fly fast. Not with every pony looking at me. It wasn't that bad. You're right, Rainbow Dash. It wasn't bad. It was horrible. All the other fools used to tease me. A lot.
You know, younger Fluttershy, I can't decide what I think of that look. She's definitely a more, I don't know.
Suck it up, Fluttershy.
Her legs seem a little thin.
I mean, confidence or no confidence, I'm gonna need every Pegasus to break the record, including you. I need every ounce of wing power I can get. Oh, I don't think so, Rainbow Dash. Thanks anyway. Wait. I'll do it. You will? I will. You're game? I'm game. All right!
Well, let's see how this
What
goes.
exactly does this machine do?
This is an anemometer. It measures your accelerative velocity and translates it into wing power, thus gauging your cumulative H2O anti-gravitational potential. Any other questions?
Yeah, what's this machine do?
What exactly does this machine do?
It tells you how fast you're flying and how strong your wings are.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah, you might want to use some other words,
Is that you
Twilight.
again, Thunderlane? Please, we need to have a germ-free environment.
It wasn't me, it was Blossomforth.
Don't worry, Twilight. Thunderlane's just cooking up an excuse to spend Tornado Day in bed. Why don't you get over here and be our first test flyer, Thunderlane?
Really, so it was Blossomforth, it looks like.
We have 9.3 wing power.
Wow, that's fast!
Yeah!
Not bad, not bad.
Oh, that cracking. Just, yeah, wow. And that caused all that wind, make them look like they were falling over.
Now listen up. If each of you can get your numbers up to at least 10.0 wing power by the end of the week, we'll no doubt set a new tornado speed record. We'll be #1.
Okay, if everyone did 10 and they needed to do 1,000 wing power, that means 10 ponies makes 100 wing power, so 10 means there's 100 Pegasi, I guess.
Impressive. Fluttershy, your turn.
I definitely don't think there's 100 Pegasus here, but you know. Not bad. Slow, but Yeah, you stopped at the worst time, Fluttershy.
Tell her.
No, you tell her.
No, you.
Great job, Fluttershy. You measured, 0.5.
0.5? Isn't that like lesson 1?
Be quiet, Spike.
Fluttershy, wait! So some punks poked a little fun at you when you got stage fright. Big deal. You aren't gonna go quit just because of that, are you? Yes! But I need you!
I'm sorry, Rainbow Dash. I just don't have the courage right now.
I don't know if her speed would make a difference. But yeah. If there's 100 Pegasus and they all did 10, that would be enough to do 1,000. But there's oh, that cry. There's definitely not 100 Pegasus. But if they all did higher, it would mean less. As they do higher, it means less overall.
I'm afraid a couple of little acorns won't solve my
But
big flying problem.
yeah, your speed won't make much of a difference, Fluttershy. Unfortunately, as well as you gave your best effort.
I know it's important to have confidence in myself. Yes, I do remember. The river was swelling. And you were scared. Yes, I did tell you to never give up. And to believe in yourself. You're right, my friends. I shouldn't give up. I will get my confidence up and show every pony that I am a good flyer. A great flyer.
I mean, when you want to be, you are pretty good, but in a competition performance side, I don't know how good you can be, unfortunately. And where exactly did they get those masks? Really, Fluttershy? You're scared of masks? Just how strong are butterflies? Wow, that's some talent, Fluttershy. So you're going fast enough to... You know, doesn't take much wind to even knock those things out. But hey, she's definitely improved from her 0.5, I'm going to guess. But by how much, I could not say.
Much better than yesterday.
This is crazy awesome! We're gonna smash that record!
What did he say?
Do I look like I speak squirrel?
Well, I mean, technically, one of your other voices you do, Bubbles spoke squirrel. Which I guess must be the joke there. Yeah, I know about Powerpuff Girls. I've only ever seen bits and pieces of that show, but I know that Twilight voiced Bubbles is about all I know in that show.
2.3? That has to be some kind of mistake.
That's actually pretty good compared to your 0.5 speed.
Shy, that's a huge improvement.
You did awesome, Fluttershy!
No, I didn't. I thought I'd gotten over my nerves, but they still got the best of me. There's no way I'll fly with 10.0 wing power tomorrow.
So you won't fly with 10.0 wing power. Every bit counts!
How would you feel if every pony else was flying with 10.0 wing power and you were flying with 2.5?
Actually, it was only 2.3.
Spike not helping.
Well, I feel...
Exactly! Humiliated! I'm sorry, Rainbow Dash. I just can't do it.
It's okay, Rainbow Dash. You still got plenty of wing power for your tornado. You'll be able to lift tons of water up to Cloudsdale.
If If only there was a way to lift Fluttershy out of the dumps. Are we ready to do this? Look! Lazy Thunderlane.
So their names are faces.
Get out of tornado duty
Okay,
the whole time
then.
with his fake coughing and all. Rumble, where's your lazy brother?
He's got the feather flu. He's down at Ponyville Hospital.
But he's not the only one.
Yeah, you probably should have one of those look like Pinky's mane, but you probably should have
Oh no!
Don't tell
paid
me
attention to his sickness and let him out.
No? You might not have enough wing power to create a tornado powerful enough to lift the water to Cloudsdale.
Okay, how would
Well,
8, 10, whatever you said, Pegasi, make a 200? If you need 800 to get
no.
800 to get into the water,
Forget the
and you wanted to do 1,000,
water.
I don't know how 10 Pegasus would even be enough, would make that much of a difference.
On the
I mean,
sound of
that's
the horn,
100
take
wing
off.
power. At most, that means that you would do 900 at the most before you lost those Pegasi, so... But then again, like I said, each one is doing more than 10. If they're doing like 15 or something, then that can make a difference. But even then,
Power? I sure hope so.
if you had those Pegasi, you still wouldn't make 1,000. If losing 8 makes it below 800,
Wing power.
you never would have made it with the...
750 wing power.
Yeah, I don't know why I'm still talking. I don't know what I'm even saying now.
What are you doing here? I figured if I couldn't help Rainbow Dash with the tornado, the least I could do was offer more.
Wow, you're strong, Fluttershy.
Use it, considering your 8 Pegasi are sick with the feather flu. Oh,
Okay, it's 8, not 10. Whatever. And there goes the tornado.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Oh, you were so close to the 800 wing power minimum. I'm sorry, Rainbow Dash.
We've got to try again.
But you pushed your crew to their limit already. If you break apart again, some pony could get hurt. You should quit. It's not safe.
No! One more time! I gotta know we gave it our all. If I'm going down, I'm going down flying.
But why take the rest of Ponyville's Pegasi with you?
Make this happen.
How exactly does that guy even fly?
Okay, here we go. 100 wing power. 200. 500.
Stay in position. Flap those wings faster.
700. 750 wing power.
They fell apart right after this.
I'm too nervous to look.
Come on, just a little harder. I can see the water trying to funnel through.
795. They are so close. Fluttershy, they need you up there. I won't make a difference. You can make a difference. My measly 2.3 wing power is still too little.
It's sticking at 795. I don't know if they got any more in them.
Do it for Equestria. Do it for Rainbow Dash. Do it for yourself.
Haha. That was satisfying to see Angel slam against a tree. Don't know why. Oddly satisfying.
It's moving. She's doing it. 798. She surpassed her best wing power number.
Either that or one of the others had a little bit more extra to give anyways.
What was that? I think it was Fluttershy.
She did it! She did it! They all did it!
Well done, Fluttershy. You did well. Okay, Fluttershy, you can stop now.
Whoa, girl, take it easy. What? Did we do it? Yeah, we did it. You did it. Great job, Fluttershy.
Okay, then.
That was awesome.
How they stayed in the air doing that?
Nice job, Rainbow Dash.
What would that be called?
May not have set a new record, but
Feather
lot
high?
of guts.
I don't know.
Thanks.
Trying to think of what that would be
You wanna
called,
talk
but
guts? Then you gotta give
oh
it to
well.
my #1 flyer, Fluttershy. Let's hear it for Fluttershy. Fluttershy, Fluttershy, Fluttershy can really fly.
Dear Princess Celestia, sometimes you can feel like what you have to offer is too little to make a difference. But today, I learned that every pony's contribution is important, no matter how small. If you just keep your head high...
I mean, the only reason yours even made a difference, to be honest, was because of it was stuck at $7.95. So, if it had been any lower, well, yeah. That was a really good episode. I liked it. Fluttershy is definitely moving up on the list. She might just be surpassing Rainbow Dash, but well, we still got a few more episodes left to go, so we'll just have to see if we get any other Rainbow Dash episodes before the... there's only 2 more before the end, so we'll have to see what those give us. But anyways, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next reaction. Bye.